Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You can get ready to channel all your movie star energy with these awesome sunglasses from AIEYEZO. These sunglasses have some serious style. The square frames are made with sturdy plastic and metal. They're 100% UV, so my eyes feel happy, and I really love the awesome blue tint that you get when you're looking through these. On the sunniest of days, they provide lots of sun protection so that I can really enjoy not only wearing them, but the sun. They're really comfortable thanks to the reinforced hinges, and you can see that everything is made with that durable metal. They're really made for everyday superheroes in real life. The glasses are a really good fit, and they stay on my face with no problem. I love that the black perfectly mirrors all of the superhero vibes that I'm looking for when wearing these glasses. Live it up like you're coming straight from Hollywood with these glasses. The frames are beautiful, they're well made, and they really make it a lot of fun. But that's just my point of view.